Hi, hello. This is Manikanta. I am a second year CSE student. Today my topic is single variable optimization. Single variable means x or y or z. We need for a single variable optimization, we need to take 5 conditions. First one is f dash x equal to 0. Second, f double dash is greater than 0. F double dash x is less than 0. F double dash x equal to 0 or f double dash x is not equal to 0. An example take solving this problem. Case one, taking case one. Finding necessary condition f dash x equal to 0. We have condition f dash 5 minus 45x 4 plus 40x cube plus 5. F dash x equal to f dash x is nothing but derivative of f of x. Equal to solving to 5x1 4 minus 45 4x cube plus 40 equal 3x cube. Here we use the formula of x power m equal to n into x power m plus 1. This is the formula to use this. Then solving to 60x power 4 45 into 4 180 x cube plus 40 into 120 x square. Here we take 60x square as a common, so we got x square minus 3x plus 2. We need to find x values here. So we are finding roots. X square minus 3x plus 2. Then we can write as x square minus 3x minus x plus 2. X into x minus 2. We are taking x as a common, x into x minus 2. Here we taking minus 1 as a common, so x minus 2. So we have x minus 2 is the common, we take it remaining